Last month, I signed the divorce papers. But the truth was even worse. My wife, Maya, had a secret. A big secret she never told me. She was very sick. The doctor said she had cancer. She knew for 1 year. She hid the truth from me. Why did she lie? I thought she was cheating. I saw her with another man. But it was her doctor. I was so angry. I said bad words. I left her alone. I did not know the real story. Her friend called me. She was crying. Maya is in the hospital, she said. She is in the ICU. My heart stopped. I had to go. But was it too late? I remember the day clearly. I came home early. I saw a man's car outside our house. I felt a fire inside me. I opened the door quietly. I heard talking. It was Maya and a man. I thought she was cheating. I ran to the room. I saw a tall man in a white coat. He was a doctor. But I did not listen. I was too angry. You are cheating on me, I shouted. Maya's face turned white. No, Arjun, it is not what you think, she said. But I was blind with anger. I packed my things that night. I did not look at her tears. I signed the divorce papers a week later. She did not fight. She just signed quietly. Her hands were shaking. I thought she was guilty. But she was weak from the treatment. She was hiding her cancer from me. She wanted me to leave. She did not want me to see her suffer. She thought I would be sad. But I was already broken. I walked away from the woman I loved. I never looked back. I started a new life in another city. I tried to forget her. But her face was always in my mind. 1 year later, I got the call. Her friend, Sona, was crying on the phone. Maya is dying, she said. She is in the hospital. Come now. I dropped the phone. I had to see her. But what would I say? I rushed to the hospital. The ambulance was already there. I saw the red light. I ran inside. The nurse stopped me. Are you family? She asked. I am her husband, I said. But I was not her husband anymore. I signed the papers. She let me go in. The room was cold and white. I saw Maya on the bed. She was so thin. She had machines around her. She was in a deep sleep. A doctor came in. He was the same man I saw that day. You are Arjun? He asked. Yes, I said. I am Dr. Patel, he said. I have been her doctor for 2 years. 2 years. I was shocked. She did not tell you? He asked. No, I whispered. She had cancer, he said. She needed surgery. But she said no. She did not want you to know. She wanted to protect you. I felt my knees get weak. I sat on a chair. I was a fool. I thought she was lying. But she was hiding a secret to save me. She was getting treatment for 1 year. But it was too late. The cancer spread. She was in the ICU now. The doctor said she had days, maybe hours. I held her cold hand. I was crying. Why did you hide this? I asked her sleeping face. Her eyes opened slowly. She looked at me. She tried to smile. You are here, she whispered. But she could not speak more. A nurse came in. She needs rest, she said. But I did not want to leave. What if she died while I was gone? I sat by her bed all night. I did not sleep. I watched her breathe. Each breath was slow. The nurse came every hour. She checked the machines. Her recovery is not good, the nurse said. The treatment did not work. I felt a pain in my chest. I wanted to scream. This was my fault. I left her when she needed me most. In the morning, Maya opened her eyes again. Arjun, she said softly. I am sorry. No, I am sorry, I said. I was stupid. I did not see the truth. I did not want you to see me like this, she said. I wanted you to be happy. How can I be happy without you? I cried. She tried to touch my face. Listen to me, she said. I have a secret. Another secret. My friend Sona, she has a letter for you. It is in my bag. I found her bag in the corner. Inside was a white envelope. My name was on it. I opened it with shaking hands. The letter was long. It said, My dear Arjun, if you are reading this, I am gone. I am sorry I hid my illness. I did it because I love you. I wanted you to remember me as I was, not as a sick woman. But I have another secret. I sold our old house. I used the money for your mother's surgery. Your mother is healthy now. I paid for everything. Please do not be angry. Take care of her. And one day, find love again. Be happy. Yours forever, Maya. I fell to my knees. I was crying loud. She sold our house. She paid for my mother. My mother was sick too. I never knew. Maya saved my family. And I left her alone. I looked at Maya. Her eyes were closed again. The machines beeped slow. Then one long beep. The nurse ran in. Code blue, she shouted. Doctors came. They tried to help. But it was too late. Maya was gone. I held the letter tight. I had lost everything. Maya's funeral was small. Only her friends came. I read her letter again and again. I went to see my mother. She was healthy. She told me Maya visited every week. Maya brought food and medicine. My mother said she was an angel. I was a blind fool. I thought Maya was a liar. But she was a hero. She hid her pain to save others. I learned a big lesson. Love is not about being perfect. Love is about sacrifice. Maya sacrificed everything for me. She died with a secret to protect my heart. Now, I visit her grave every week. I bring flowers. I tell her I am sorry. I tell her I will be better. I will help others like she helped me. I will never judge someone without knowing the truth. Because sometimes, The biggest secrets are hidden in the deepest love. If you have someone who loves you, do not wait. Tell them today, before it is too late. Because life is short, and regret is forever.